Prepare to die.
The ocean is not just our home. It is who we are.
Only love and night are everlasting.
Hello bro, hello. Ini di first match mo, perang jongka 14 Cups Gaming bat ka Savage Kings. Venti Marwen yo, Drizzy Rentatiang yo. Hello, hello.
I am more than a weapon.
On the left side we have 14 Cups Gaming, and on the right side we have Savage Kings.
This time, the choice is mine.
My blood boils until the day I die.
My magic flows as freely as the winds.
Need some stitches? I can help.
A punch for a punch.
Cũng đâu phía lòng bro.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Khasi MLBB Gamer, hello bro, hello. Cũng đâu phía lòng bro.
Malachi enters the scene.
Buon turni ML mentaki por.
I see the fondest
Buon kan bro, buon. Kibuan ba ki
I
tournament de.
am mean, and always will be, no matter what.
Kani ka match perang jongka 14 Cups Gaming bat ka Savage Kings ma. Kiaban u Atlas, Thamus, Nathan, Akai, Julian bat Cecilion.
Come on, Dexter. It's our showtime.
Ladap mas Goku-san, ladap bro, na aduk mana. Yo bak Goku labam em, yes bro, ladap. Ladap bro, ba. Yes, ubah ban ya like, ma, ban ya like, bat ban ya share cái stream từ ngày y phong cái nong bịt cái thì đang đón nhiều likes thì số ba bên like bịt thar bịt man stream like bịt tip top condition shu biang hi bro gu okay bro biang ta te bro. Okay, the match is about to start. We have blue team is 14 Cups Gaming and the red team is Savage Kings. So who are you supporting in this match? Let me know in the live chat and let everyone know as well, so you can also share the stream so we can get more viewers and more supporters in the stream. We still have 3 more matches after this, and our goal for tonight is 40 likes if possible. 40 likes. Babas tam te jang guku hi dan la ka jang hi jing sngo ma bro tournament te ta hi dan ki basubang ka jang ki tu dan ki basubang jonga dan ki basubang la ka jang hi. Okay, we have Xavier in mid lane. We have Paquito here in trying to take that red buff. So we have Esmeralda along with Yin, and we have Balmon along with Vale and Franco. So we have Natalia along with Melissa. Let's see. Okay, let us zoom out this screen. And Xavier is being damaged there from Franco and Vale. So we have Yin and Esmeralda here in a fight, and we have Claude. Oh, Claude is being damaged by, and there is a kill by Melissa, being damaged by Natalia, and the finishing coming in from Melissa, and she managed to escape from the grasp of all those 3 players from Savage Kings. So the first blood going in for team 14 Cups Gaming. So we have Franco along with Vale here, still in mid lane. We have Xavier along with Paquito. So are we going to see Natalia coming in for the charge? Ooh, of course, good man. Going for the turtle. Okay, map tuma pa nga bu shield namar ba kya call ha group ni in fi thawra tuma. Ap khanjat ngan mute ma group. Ap ja da mute tala ja hi si phang la. Name to ban mute. Am jat dos wa sungu era. Mute notifications always. Okay, okay. So, 2 kills already for team 14 Cups Gaming. We haven't missed that much. Okay, so we have no kills yet for Savage Kings. I'm going to see rotation. Okay, there's a rotation coming in from Claude along and Franco, and we have Melissa alone here from 14 Cups Gaming. So a rotation coming in from Franco and Balmon. Let's take a look who's going to be taken down. Vale has been taken down by Natalia. They didn't even go for Natalia. They decided that they will go for Paquito. So Paquito has been taken down there. So we have first kill for team Savage Kings. And Esmeralda trying to go for the charge against Yin, and Yin trying to fall back from the fight. So we have Xavier trying to go for help with Esmeralda, but he decided to fall back and move back to mid lane to clear those minions. So we have 2 kills for team Savage Kings, but the second turtle is going to be for team Savage Kings. Okay, the first turtle has been taken down by 14 Cups Gaming. I will read the live chat later, okay? Now I'm gonna spectate and commentate this match. So we have Balmond here trying to invade this blue buff and trying to steal this buff. There it is. So we have a push and a kill coming in from Veil, which is ʍıy̍ʰ has been taken down. So Natalia is roaming solo here, trying to go for the charge against Veil, and Veil, it seems like he's gonna go down, but it seems like Natalia falling back from that fight. So we have Melissa always get ganked up by Team Savage Kings, and we have Melissa has been taken down. So 14 Cups Gaming should have watched out for the players from Savage Kings, and they should protect at all costs for Melissa, because Melissa always get ganked up, and it's going to be very hard for her to dominate in mid game. Okay, there's a kill and Xavier has been taken down. So we have Franco missed his hook right there against Melissa. So we have a fight happening here in mid lane between between ʍıy̍ʰ and Balmond. So we have Balmond moving to top lane. As always, we have Esmeralda with Yin, and Esmeralda is we've seen Esmeralda rotating to mid lane in the early game, but Yin, we haven't seen him moving from his own lane. So we have a fight happening here in top lane. Let's see who's going to be taken down. It seems like Yin, or it seems like Balmond has been taken down by ʍıy̍ʰ. So we have Veil and Franco here from Savage Kings falling back from the fight because they are one man down. So we have a turtle charge coming in from 14 Cups Gaming. So this third turtle is going to be taken by 14 Cups Gaming, or let's see, will it be for Savage Kings? Okay, it's for Team 14 Cups Gaming. So we have Natalia being taken down, and an ultimate coming in from Franco. Franco very low on HP. Let's take a look. That's a kill for Claude and for ʍıy̍ʰ. Veil and Franco has been taken down right there on top lane. So we have a total of 6 kills for 14 Cups Gaming and a total of 7 kills for Savage Kings. Esmeralda always trying to go for the push in bottom lane, and Yin is very low on HP. It seems like Esmeralda gonna move forward until she gets that bottom lane turret there. So let's hope that Esmeralda and Yin will move out of their position and help out their teammates as well. So we have 6-7. So let's take a look at Natalia and Claude in a fight right here. Let's see who's going to be taken down. Natalia has been taken down, and we have a kill. That's a total of 9 kills for Savage Kings. So we have Esmeralda has been taken down in bottom lane. She managed to take down this bottom lane turret though. So her goal is complete, but sadly she's been taken down with a gank coming in from Savage Kings. Zozo Batch, hello Zozo Batch, Hersley, Tapakazi, Shanu Pijaba Brush Kata, Tapakazi, oi, Jar Menin Menchisni, Jar Le, Jashno. Oh, Bhai Saab, Claude has been taken down by Natalia. Zozo Batch, welcome to the stream, bro. Dr. Nifario, first tribal president Jong India, yes, bro, yes. Okay, Hersley is supporting for Savage Kings. Shu Byang Hibro Guku. Tre Inar Dao Litan. Byang bro, Byang, di saja kan ya. Tip top condition. I'm here, Savage Kings go. Hau Brown, the king is back. So we have Lord has been taken down by Lord has been taken down by. Okay, by Savage Kings. Okay. Xavier has been taken down by Balmont. So we have Lord coming in from top lane. Natalia has been taken down. So Savage Kings have got some domination here. But we have Esmeralda being charged by the players from Savage Kings. It seems that Esmeralda is going to go down. Balmont is going to try to go for the charge. There's an ultimate coming in from Balmont, and Balmont has been taken down. So only Melissa still standing from 14 Cups Gaming. And we have 4 players all together here from Savage Kings. And Lord is gonna go for the push from top lane, and the players from Savage Kings are gonna focus on mid lane. So we have Yin here trying to clear these minions, trying to go for the push in bottom lane, and Lord joining in the fight, and this top lane is in danger. And Yin is gonna go for the push in bottom lane. So we have mid lane being pushed as well. So it seems like mid lane is still standing, and top lane is still standing as well, but bottom lane is being pushed by Yin. So we have one player, another, which is Esmeralda, has been taken down from 14 Cups Gaming. So it's a 16 kills for Savage Kings and 7 kills for 14 Cups Gaming. So we have Natalia has been taken down by Yin. So mid lane turret has been taken down by Savage Kings there. We have only bottom lane and top lane still standing. And we have 4 players still standing here from 14 Cups Gaming, and 5 players from Savage Kings. So let's take a look at all the builds here from both these teams. Hey Tapa, where were you 2 days? No see. No see. La you in President India Batama la I bro la I. Mano so bang bet la yo Petrix na torni kum no ban la kai Lady Press. Go 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 Power Rangers. Ha. Dahoy kala. Dahoy kala. Dahoy kala kum no. I'm busy calculating whether SN will qualify or not, but now it seems they won't qualify to the playoffs. Lol. Okay, with 17 kills for Savage Kings and 7 kills for 14 Cups Gaming. It seems like they've got the advantage here. So they decide, are they gonna go for Lord? It seems like Yin. Okay, Yin has been taken down. What a perfect hook coming in from Franco, and Natalia has been taken down. So a charge coming in against Balmont, but they decided to fall back, and Savage Kings decided to take the Lord for the second time, but Paquito moving in the front line and waiting for their own teammates to help them out. And Esmeralda with the first push, first charge. Let's take a look. Will he be able to take a kill against Savage Kings? And it seems like one player very noticeably, which is Claude. Claude still managed to survive right there. Balmont managed to take down the Lord, and it seems like second Lord for Savage Kings. And Lord is coming in from mid lane from Savage Kings. So we have Franco teleporting back to base along with Vil, and Lord is gonna join in the fight along with Yin and Balmont. So Franco and Vil not wasting that much time, so they are moving as soon as possible back to mid lane to assist their own teammates. So we have an assembled team here from 14 Cups Gaming and from Savage Kings. And the second Lord has been taken down by 14 Cups Gaming. So look at his top lane base turret here is only 1 HP still standing. And it seems like it won't last for long. Please like and subscribe, Haram Sheikh. Yes, bro. Okay, just like I said, that top lane base turret has been taken down. So a perfect hook coming in from Franco against Esmeralda. And Esmeralda still managed to survive, but it seems like she's been taken down by Claude. And Claude still trying to go for the second kill. And missed hook from Franco. And we have Claude has been taken down by Melissa. And Franco has been taken down as well. Valmont managed to take down Melissa, so now it's going to be 3 versus 1. Though Paquito, the only player still surviving here from 14 Cups Gaming, so it seems like the final push coming in from Savage Kings, and that's the win for Savage Kings. Congratulations to Savage Kings for the win, and GG well played to 14 Cups Gaming. And for those of you who are watching, stay tuned, we will be right back. We still have 3 more matches after this. And please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also share the stream because we still have 3 more matches to enjoy together. So stay tuned, we will be right back. Azang mo ka match. Preng jong ka Exile but ka Khasi ØGs. On the left side we have Exile and on the right side we have Khasi ØGs. Welcome each and everyone to the second match of the day. So we have okay, Julian, hello bro. Pilbert Kharpura. Good bro.
I didn't cure the pain. I harness it.
Tapakazi shano bro shano pija. Nga delete ka message ang tapakazi mentan baka namar baka hapo YouTube karan to ka yuam karan kawai ka rule ba ka ila no ki sensitive comment la kawai tari kawai yele ban avoid ki sensitive comment ma ti tangata hi
Is my name, and this is my stage.
Jiang Fang, hello bro.
My pleasure.
Tata ye dang ye chat tu kan pas tangga match. Ngam di dawai sokok. Namarang hampa di dawai yang mana mas labam kana.
My domain. The night sky tells all.
All shall succumb to my power.
Jiang Fang. 20 super chat. Thank you so much for the 20 bro. Jiang Fang. Kublai shibun bro. Kublai shi hajar ngo ma bro. Kublai.
Only love and night are everlasting.
The ocean
Make the lunch, let's go Exile. Kapakazi, Grimjau.
is who we are.
I example the sensitive comment. I example na. Hey, nang hai ti filpot tuma.
Popple and Koopa are the best partners in the world.
Entah kesniti, ngan cak Jepang ni kapun stream dulu lah namar batat sebet pada lalu betri ang kasolong kasolong lak lah ka stream. Bahaba pendapat above 20 dan above 20 kamu kam thot lah stream sebet. Dan below 20 telah abang kan hiar FPS cuma Ngalo nga mene martis tang stream tonight's goal is 40 likes. Now we already have 28 likes. GG. Let's go. Let's get to 40 likes. Let's go for 40 likes. Ani ka Exile Khamban way hero tuma. Ha do belang lah amat di. Okay, the match is starting. This is a match between Exile versus KHASI ØGs. On the left side, blue team, we have EXILE, and the red team is KHASI ØGs. Who are you supporting? Please make sure to mention in the live chat. Show your support, be it EXILE or be it KHASI ØGs. Bro, pi perja ayu la kum ta ba mit so na em la ngol ngai pi ngadi dawai mana mas na bamjang hang pada di dawai am dawai benyat te ngadi nta kan po brang sim break artan kadi dawai ka to la sha ka sngi ba hap puj benyat la sha kandai bejem step la sha la puj ka benyat kawai nang ta sa kawai pat next week. Congrats bro la Shuya OP Prophet. Bak sengat, hi Willy, hi. Oi bak sengat Syah, bak sengat. Patso, kumno bro, kumno pilang. Oi pau T7 News li Fatso na. Reduce reduce your weight. Okay, that's a post from Esmeralda. Reduce your weight. Yo sngo ang DGP yo. Yo vas ngat, yo reduce your weight. Apa T7 News. Yo bro, I'm back. Kanjiro Link Dot. What's up bro? What's up? Welcome to the stream guys. Like the stream. Yes. So bahaba ni ko ngo I Filbert Karpuria. I moderator badan buram jongi. Oh last lem 1 like from me dear bro. Oi. Last lem 1 like from me. Oh bhai. Oi Thappa. Let's go EXILE. What's not? Huh? Thappa kazi la change mo kerteng. Itu spor ni kerteng jong pi ka jerong ha. Menta alingkat. Okay, the match is resumed. Okay, let's take a look at all the these heroes and their lanes. So we have Matilda. Oh, we have 1-1 here in top lane. So we have Kufa with a charge. Let's take a look. Will he be able to get a kill? It seems like 1-1 trying to go for the kill, but 4 players are all together here from KHASI ØGs. We have Karina, Kadita, we have Matilda, we have Popol and Kupa. So it seems like we have 2 marksmen here from KHASI ØGs. So we have bottom lane. Look at the gang coming in from Cyclops, and it's going to be a kill. Oh, instead Thamos managed to get a kill. It's going to be a second blood. No, look at Cyclops. Very lucky for Cyclops. And Thamos has been taken down. But Thamos managed to get 1 kill at least before he gets taken down. So we have 1 kill for EXILE and 2 kills in total for KHASI ØGs. Bro, I need to reduce my weight. Yes, bro. So bahaba niyo ko ngus nang yung DGP ha. Yung ko ngus nang yung DGP. You are very smart, but you have to reduce your weight on the DGP. Okay, there's a tunnel for Karina. So we have oh by sub, look at this party here happening or what? Oh, Jotpat, 3 heroes has been taken down right there in the fight. So we have Cyclops still standing. Cyclops is always lucky with only 1 HP still left, and he managed to escape from the fight. So we have 5 kills in total for KHASI ØGs, and still EXILE with 1 kill. So we have 1-1 and Popol and Kupa always in the fight here in top lane. We haven't seen any rotations coming in from both these players. Instead, we have rotations coming in from mid lane to top lane, which is Kufa along with Kadita from KHASI ØGs, and Kufa from EXILE. So it's going to be a charge, and he missed that first kill against Popol and Kupa. So we have Esmeralda along with Cyclops all together there in bottom lane, always waiting for the target against Thomas, because Esmeralda is very angry with Thomas because she got killed by Thomas previously. So we have 3 players here from KHASI ØGs, and we have Matilda moving back to mid lane. So we have Thomas in a fight with Esmeralda, and we have Kadita waiting for the right moment and waiting for Esmeralda to come out of her position and waiting for the right gangbang. Okay, we have 3 players all together, which is Kufra, Cyclops, and Kagura. Let's take a look at all their gangs here coming in. Look at Kadita waiting for the right moment. Popol and Koopa managed to take down Cyclops, and Kufra has been taken down by Popol and Koopa. That's a double kill for Popol and Koopa. We have 1-1 has been taken down as well. So KHASI ØGs are dominating here in top lane. They are trying to rotating like hell in top lane. So we have only Kagura still standing here. So we have a turtle charge coming in from KHASI ØGs, which is the perfect timing for the blue team. So we have Popol and Koopa has been taken down by Kagura, I guess. Yes, by Kagura. So we have a turtle has been taken down by KHASI ØGs. So blue team are dominating with a total of 8 kills and 2 kills for blue team. So we have another rotation coming in from Kadita. Let's take a look at Kadita. She's coming and she's waiting. Okay, but Esmeralda falling back from the fight, and Cyclops is right there, and he's being spotted by Kadita. So now a vision has been given by Kufra as well, and look at that, they are almost engaging in a fight. So they decided to fall back both from Exile and KHASI ØGs. So let's take a look at top lane as well between 1-1 and Popol and Koopa. So we have a total of 33 viewers. Come on, it's my humble request to each and every one of you to please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So we have a charge coming in here in mid lane, 3 players against 2 players. So we have Kagura gonna help Kufra out, and it seems like it's going to be a kill, and Matilda has been taken down. So 1 man down, and is it going to be the 2nd player down, and Cyclops with that kill against Karina. So blue team here trying to equalize him regarding the kills. So we have Thomas with Esmeralda always in a fight in bottom lane. Nobody is moving out of their positions here in bottom lane. So we have we have Cyclops moving to mid lane along with Kagura. And we have Kufra here hiding inside the bush, and he's being spotted by Popol and Koopa. So we have 3 players all together from KHASI ØGs trying to assemble together against these 2 players, which is 1-1 and Kufra. So now it's going to be a help coming in from Kagura, but Kagura decided to move back to mid lane along with Kufra. So the 2nd turtle is reviving, and we have a charge already coming in from Exile. So let's take a look and who's going to be able to take down the 2nd turtle. So it seems like 1 player is going to go down, and it seems like Hamul has been taken down, and Kufra. So we have KHASI ØGs going to try to go for the turtle, and we have Esmeralda going for the charge, and Cyclops with a kill against Torina. So Turtle is going low in HP, and it seems like Turtle is going to be taken by Exile. So Cyclops with that finishing against the Turtle. So we have Matilda has been taken down by Cyclops. Cyclops is dominating. So we have a total of 7 kills for Exile and a total of 10 kills for KHASI ØGs. Will Zone 216. Hey bro, kom nu bro, pilang Will Zone. Last lam GE show IP stream na bro. Will Zone. Hey bro. Okay, we have Matilda along with Kadita. So Kufra trying to rotate and give some visions for his own teammates and moving to help out 1-1. So we have 4 players from Khasi ØGs trying to go for the push regarding this top lane turret, and top lane turret has been taken down by Khasi ØGs. So now 1 player is getting low in HP. So it seems like Kufra is very lucky with only 1 HP to manage to survive. But instead 1-1 has been taken down by Papa and Kufra. We have Kufra has been taken down as well. So oh, bhai sahab, Kagura has been taken down as well. So only 2 players still standing here from blue team, which is EXILE. So we have Papa and Kufra trying to go for the charge against the second lane turret as well. So we have Tamus has been taken down by Cyclops or Esmeralda. I missed that kill. So we have 8 kills for EXILE and 13 kills for Khasi ØGs. So look at Kadita waiting halfway here, waiting for those players to come out of their position. So we have another kill right there happening, and we have Papa and Koopa has been taken down. So let's take a look at all the builds here from both the teams. These are the builds from both EXILE and Khasi ØGs. So we have Kadita. Oh, Karina. Oh, look at Esmeralda trying to invade, and sadly she's been taken down by Papa and Koopa. What happened to Esmeralda just now? I didn't even manage to even spot Esmeralda invading the enemy's base. So we have 15 kills by 11 kills. Live chat is getting hot. Live chat is getting hot. Okay, live chat is heating up. Live chat is heating up. Oh my god. I'm not gonna focus on live chat. You guys focus on the live chat. Okay. I will read the live chat later. I will read the live chat later, but not for now. For now, I will focus on the game itself, because I know if I focus on the chat, I'm gonna get distracted, because the chat is getting heating up. And Filbert Kharpuria, just do your job, bro. Do your job. Any sensitive chat, remove the chat, and any slang words, remove those slangs as well. Okay, but it's okay to trash talk. Don't mute trash talkers. Don't remove trash talk messages. It's okay for trash talk in my live chat. It's okay, no problem. But sensitive comment should be removed, and slang words should be removed as well. So trash talk, it's not of a problem. We can see trash talk in each and every streams, no problem. So we can deal with trash talks, but for slangs and sensitive chats, it's not okay for YouTube. Okay. So we have 12 kills in total for EXILE and 17 kills in total for Khasi ØGs. Let's focus back on the fight. So we have Khasi ØGs trying to go for the push, but we have Lord here coming from top lane from Khasi ØGs, and the blue team are busy trying to kill that Lord. So we have what happened to FPS? It's getting low. Oh, bhai sahab. Okay, now it's good, that is doing fine. FPS, come on. Okay, we have 3 players against 4. Who's going to survive in this fight? Kadita activating her ultimate, and it seems like 3 players against 4. It's a challenging one for Khasi ØGs. We have Thomas being charged as well. Matilda has been taken down by Esmeralda, so look at that. Let's take a look at Karina, she's gonna be taken down. Only one player there from Khasi ØGs, and she's been taken down. So we have Kadita along with Purple and Kupa. Who's gonna be taken down next? Purple and Kupa, she's gonna be taken down, it seems. And Kufa going in the front line trying to tank up for his own teammates, and Kufa has been taken down with the help of that turret. And look at Tamus doing his own job, trying to go for the push, and the top lane base turret has been taken down. And we are going to see a teleportation coming in from Esmeralda along with Kagura, and Tamus doing his own job, trying to go for the push against the main base. So we have most of the players from Khasi ØGs have been taken down in the fight in bottom lane. So Tamus completed his goal, managed to take down top lane base turret. So only mid lane and bottom lane still standing. So we have Thamos here, solo player. Will he try to go and push again, maybe from bottom lane or top lane? What we see here from Thamos is, I guess he told his teammates to to distract the enemies. And so that most of the enemies will focus on the other 4 players from Khasi ØGs, so that Thamos will do his own job for pushing. But we have okay, Lord has been taken down by Khasi ØGs, so a total of 15 kills for EXILE and 20 kills for Khasi ØGs. So let's take a look at all the builds here before we witnessed a push coming in from Khasi ØGs. But let's hope that EXILE gonna be able to defend this one against Khasi ØGs. So let's take a look. We've seen an assembled team from EXILE here from blue team. Look at all these players. They are not gonna move out of their own base, and it seems like they're gonna wait for Khasi ØGs to make a move first, and they are gonna try to strategize themselves here in this fight. So we have Karina trying to clear up that bottom lane. So Lord is coming in from a top lane, gonna do his own job, trying to tank for his own team. And we have mid lane base that has been taken down, so only bottom lane base that is still standing. Seems like the bottom lane base is also gonna go down. So Lord is gonna be tanking up for Khasi ØGs, and all the players from Khasi ØGs are concentrating together against the main base, and it seems like it's going to be a win for Khasi ØGs. That's a win for Khasi ØGs, and congratulations to Khasi ØGs for winning this match, and GG well played to EXILE. So for those of you who are watching, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also share the stream, because after this we still have 2 more matches. So stay tuned, we will be right back.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. suela, suela. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. So much on popping, pocket, sola, 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 sola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, sola, 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 sola. 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 When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, sola, 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 sola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, cause that's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't see what you're seeing, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. Now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave and I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it, see what I see in it. I'm typical, messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't know to say. You say you need a change and I feel that you mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, it's not like we need them. Waste another day, eyes on my display.
I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sitting contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling a flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh. I like losing control.
Có nhân gia liệu cũng nằm tù người bị cai cái live chatกันเราบอกว่าวัดแล้วมามีแล้วการitu hellcore orang bah menyalap rahana akan inform sama walk over tuh apa yang ada okay ini dia menum tu mentapan habres bah guku la sai la phut ki pinyat am ho la phut ki pinyat la sai ka stream la kala rap god guku tat da la sai pat long bah da la sai dak sidak phut ikop siat umbia ikip ngap ru pelip nak tu mak stream na la yo thia na pa yo thia ra bro bedu bang la yo thia pa yo thia ra Good night, Nightbot. Okay, good night. Terima kasih. Tiếp phía đơn y bên ông. Sao bên thiạ. Menta un leka hyper funny guku. Ngam leka syura ni la sakas ngi hap kirang step, hap let's stay. Takadaw na. What about match between WARx and Team Soul? Katu la ai walk over ya WARx nomor ba la slam pelat ngilap hadu khatsan minute. Ngilap anim dera khatsan minute you tadang. Ama like po do san po arpo minute tar la up. Arpo minute kataru baki mi ong itu opponent te arpo minute pat yang ar kala thut kapur te bansi la habo obono nomor tu la slam pelat banwan takada la tu lanu goku kan kut kani ke tournament kan kut hau amo man tau banai August lakut August first week lakut August first week lakut te nadu nang tu ngin open no ka form jong ka SGG series te ka SGG series kan sedang hau September hau September London bro WARx lakut ka WARx la walk over bro WARx baslam pelat mo ngilap hadu arpo minute te way pelio kham join te mbatsia utai uli da EOE te ba upi ba manu ta di da EOE bro la dei ban ailat ya WARx top up ma up ngan batai bahangai pisya ma ka tournament kaya kumnu ba organizer kaya kumnu pet pikwa ka bias tournament na ko unbiased tournament nomor mangina MGC na durang sedang ngila ong bat ka management ngong ba napo ka managing team ngila ada ong lupa ba kumnu ngin host tournament ba dalileiru nginom long bias ma dalileiru nginom long bias katakaway te kaba bias kumut hakunur kam kalong ba nginom yasha yakanu no ka team ru ngin long bet kaju ba ya baro tips tu up nomor kini ka teams bun ha ka group stage kini bal adab am ki balong kum ka WARx ki ba klem yo ban le kai nomor bala sa walk over nomor bangila upslam yakpor bagi kami join tinggal haban walk over no te ladang ni ai ya ka WARx ladang ni ai ka WARx te hatu perkhat kata kam la long bias takada kan kata ka jingmut jongka bias ba ma kata ka jingmut jongka bias ka tournament ngan kata di koi kamian phimlok ma sha ini nur nomor ba ngilong be fair and square biting ibu hap fudo be ka rules am kumut kam toy ban host tournament kata di koi ma kataru Class 2 yam Gimla ban lei ai kata te nomor ba kin ai man tai kan ka wei te kamut krui sao san liki match ndriut liki match ai kan yo wan ban request lang kom jo na ta kada yo wei mlok ban ai nomor bala ai wei ru ndawala tip ang kasi lang kom ta hi kalong kum lada pidan ki khon ki ti ken kalong ta shpum ta pidan ki khon ki ti pi ai pisa ti jing bang wei khulong pi atang i wei pi sung bang pi sung nang hi ma ban atang i wei ti jing bang pi misane ti ki wei pa ki khon pi ap ai lang am pisa ki tur bakin ti jing bang kalong ta kan lada pi ai wei pi ap ai lang te pim la ban le silyang te bangin ai lang pa ki wei ru kum kai kan jayu kum kala compromise no ya ka tournament borok ko wei compromise kum no nomor ba nomor ngila decide bayaka finishing date mau ya finishing date jangka tournament ngila ada bu ngila penbiang iku ton ya banai e baro ti la ngile no komta kamu ka date ka timing e baro gim ngile kila thut no baro na dong ti takata hi try bro up yang 1 minutes WARx lawan oh bye tolak kata lah yang try kat tu mentah kasngi nah lah yang try kat tu te saya tiasuk bro saya syam yang 4 lah syai kasngi masih syam yang 4 lah syai kasngi te dan ngasuhu pala syai kasngi banam dan menu bawa over ban ya biang kerkom join ti nakalang jonga tinggal ile hi ban up kam slam mo dia daira kala item hi kerkom up de bang ada hadu kata ta ban strict nga abi hi kan ni ki group stage bela ada bro ngibu MGC san minute hendrei ngalang at hi pat extra san minute nang long po ti kalau ta pi hendrei ban ya ong ban shu at no extra at shu sa 4 minute kam de ka basuk hi ta kawe ti mau sung mau bro ma kani ka tournament ka shilong tang ka tournament bapinya subang bapinya lakai bapinya sultanat para teammates ka weru bapinya yo ban yamat ya ka jing practice yang pi ka tournament kam de ya kata ban ong bapinya long mo bapinya dai hat du ta de ban long du ta play lakai kum ta ban subang to ya kata mu bam dan gaming spirit dan gaming spirit tamalong de du ta ban ong man you le pi ban met ban siam baro na dong jai lakai bi jai enjoy mo naka bi jai enjoy tama gaming spirit te to hab dan hi ta ti tournament menu bam dan dai ti la pidan gaming spirit ti yele ban penbiang no kapor ka you kerkom join ke iki teammates pidi ke ban penbiang ya kapor kapten idi ban inform ya ka team ya ka date ka schedule jong ka tournament no ka taru kaliban biang ki substitutes ki player komno la dam lat uwei penrung du substitute kum tangan kerkom ya tournament te tapi anang ban ya penyat kum tai ka squad am kemut hang nu todat am ka squad kanam dan ka nu ban walk over namar ngi ai hadu nyongot ki players 5 sangot in game arngot substitute te shubum ta hadu arngot ru lada kim lat arngot ru napok ka in game squad pila ban penrung arngot substitute kalom ta kan te kata kari ka chance ka ba biang ma pi to le ka no sepi ka jam ngabrol ngam le ka syura nomor bala sak sngi ap ke stop bani put penyat te sa syam pala sak sngi ba ngam yo ban pit like chat na du menam por badal hamach te ngan spek tangki kertang mentang ngan wish good night pi ngado blang pa ye ti asuk pilbot ti asuk kan jiro ling do ti asuk jizel pin ti asuk penshai sun tiasuk nata nova chrono tiasuk drizin tatiang tiasuk high school nata monoda ang dan shu sejrong Nightbird ta thank you try nomor bahasa jerong rum lapit curai kila aja alut kila chat te saya tiak suk barok mah. Bye bye, good night. Saya syam yang pala syai kesni hapo ka nadu kendai sedang sanang.